Hi there, if you are looking for a car wash in Balga, then please contact us on this number 0893451598. Or if you search on Google Car Wash Balga, then you will find our website named Prime Shine Hand Car Wash. We are available from 9 AM to 6 PM every day. If you want to visit our website, please visit primeshine.com.au. Hand Car Wash Balga, clean your car with the help of better and high quality products. Our team also tries to protect your car paint, clearing away acid rain, road dust or any more. For the maintenance of great look to your car, you need to get regular washing service from Car Detailing. Balga.our service's main motive to use less water and give the friendly solution to every client. That's why this is the basic reason most of the clients like to recommend the different type of service from interior car cleaning Balga. If you want to keep your car running long and great, then you are reached in the right place, because here Car Polishing Balga includes great strategies to develop the quality of your car. We offer different types of car detailing or as well as steaming services, so according to your requirement you can easily hire to seat steam cleaning Balga. In the very short time we can easily handle all types of cleaning, gassed up and good on oil, so without wastage of your time or money. If you want to hire the professional executive, then you need to once meet with In Seats Shampoo Balga. Through our services we sure that you can get high quality and satisfying solution from us. This is the basic reason Car Cleaning Upholstery Balga has more satisfied clients who also like to prefer the best type of car detailing service from us. For any type of information regarding our products or as well as the services we offer, you need to once visit on Leather Cleaning Balga. If once you hire the service from us, then you can easily protect your car investment or as well as the environment. So for the safe driving and new look of your car, we suggest you Headlight Restoration Balga, best option for you. Cut and Polish Price Balga give to you the best polishing services at very few prices. To know about in detail regarding our cut and polish prices, you need to once contact within our staff executive. Your time is valuable, so don't waste it. Just once visit on Hand Car Wash Balga and get the best wash at the correct time. Our professional executives have many years of experience in this field, so that's why they can easily give you effective types of services regarding your hand car wash. If you are interested to book our services, then you need to click on Car Cleaning Upholstery Balga. Today's car washing technology is more reliable and effective as compared to ever before. So if you want to get a safe and effective solution regarding your car, then we recommended you once get the unique type of service from Car Detailing Balga. We also feel happy to help you with all your car needs care.